The universe is vast beyond imagination. In the last few decades, thanks to telescopes like Kepler, Hubble, and now James Webb, astronomers have confirmed the existence of thousands of exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars far beyond our sun. Among them, a few stand out as truly bizarre, alien, and utterly unlike anything we ever expected. Today, let's explore 9 of the strangest planets ever discovered. Each one challenges our understanding of physics, chemistry, and even what a planet really is. Get ready, because these worlds will blow your mind. 1. HD 19733b, the planet of glass rain. Imagine standing under a sky where it literally rains shards of glass. That's what scientists believe happens on HD 19733b, an exoplanet about 64 light years away. This world is classified as a hot Jupiter, a giant gas planet orbiting extremely close to its star. Temperatures soar to over 1,000 degrees as well as 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and fierce winds howl at 7,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet. The atmosphere is rich in silicate particles, which condense into glass-like droplets. When blasted by those supersonic winds, the droplets become deadly shards, slicing sideways through the air. It's a hellish vision, a world of blue skies, but not because of oceans or breathable air. Instead, its blue color comes from light scattering off those silicate particles. If Earth is paradise, HD 18973b is the opposite, an alien nightmare. Number sharp 2. WASP 12b, the planet being eaten alive. Planets are supposed to orbit stars. But what if the star is literally devouring its planet? That's the tragic fate of WASP 12b, a bloated gas giant orbiting a sun-like star 1,400 light years away. WASP 12b is so close to its star that its year lasts only 26 hours. Gravity from the star stretches the planet into an egg-like shape, while powerful tidal forces rip away its atmosphere. Astronomers estimate WASP 12b has only a few million years left before it's completely consumed. From Earth, we see the star glowing brighter than expected. That's the light of WASP 12b's gases being siphoned off, creating a glowing halo of planetary death. It's like watching a cosmic vampire feed on its victim. 3. 55 Cancri E. The diamond planet diamonds may be rare on Earth, but what if an entire planet was made of them? That's the possibility with 55 Cancri E, located 41 light years away. This rocky world is about twice Earth's size, orbiting so close to its star that a year lasts only 18 hours. Surface temperatures exceed 2,000 degrees, hot enough to melt metal. But beneath its crust, scientists believe the planet could contain vast amounts of carbon in the form of diamond. The entire world may be one giant gemstone, worth quintillions of dollars if we could ever mine it. Of course, that's impossible, but it's a dazzling thought. A planet gleaming like a cosmic jewel in the night. Number 4. Gliese 436b, the burning ice world. Ice and fire don't mix, at least not on Earth. But Gliese 436b is a planet where ice literally burns. Located about 30 light years away, this Neptune-sized world has surface temperatures of 700 degrees Celsius. Yet its surface is covered in what scientists call hot ice. How is that possible? The intense gravity of Gliese 436b squeezes water molecules into an exotic state of matter where they remain solid despite the searing heat. Imagine walking on an ocean-frozen solid but burning beneath your feet. That's the paradoxical world of Gliese 436b. Hash 5, HD 10696b, the planet without a home. Most planets orbit neatly around their stars, but HD 10696b doesn't play by the rules. This massive gas giant, 11 times the size of Jupiter, orbits its twin stars from a distance of 650 AU. That's 20 times farther than Pluto is from our sun. Its orbit is so bizarre that some astronomers believe it was once flung out of its system and barely held by gravity. HD 10696b is a rogue survivor, a planet wandering on the edge of stability, orbiting so far that a single year lasts tens of thousands of Earth years. It's a reminder that not all planets follow tidy, circular paths. Some live on the cosmic fringe. Number 6. Kepler 16b, the real-life Tatooine. Fans of Star Wars will love this one. Kepler 16b is the first confirmed planet to orbit 2 stars, a circumbinary planet. Just like Tatooine, it would have twin sunsets, with two stars glowing in the sky. Located 200 light years away, Kepler cell B is a cold gas giant about the size of Saturn. If you could stand on a moon orbiting it, you'd see twin shadows and twin dawns. While it's unlikely to host life, it proves that worlds from science fiction can be real. The pulsar diamond planet. If 55 Cancri hinted at the possibility of a diamond-rich interior, PSR J719-438b takes the concept to the extreme. This planet orbits a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star, about 4,000 light years from Earth. What makes it so strange is its composition. Astronomers believe the planet is the crystallized remains of a dead star, made largely of carbon compressed into diamond form. PSR J719-1438b is slightly larger than Jupiter, but far denser. It circles its pulsar every 2 hours in a tight orbit, essentially locked in a gravitational dance with a stellar corpse. Imagine an entire planet shining like the inside of a gemstone, forged in the most extreme conditions imaginable. This world isn't just exotic, it redefines what we mean by a planet. It is, quite literally, a diamond forged from the ashes of a dead star, glimmering silently in the darkness of space. Number 8, GJ12-4b, the water world. For decades, science fiction has imagined planets covered entirely in oceans. In GJ12-44b, discovered in 2009 about 40 light years away, we may have found just that. GJ12-4b is a super Earth, about 2.7 times larger than our planet and nearly 7 times as massive. Its density suggests it is neither fully rocky like Earth nor fully gaseous like Neptune. Instead, scientists believe it is dominated by water, perhaps vast oceans thousands of kilometers deep. But this isn't an ocean you'd want to swim in. Under crushing pressure and searing heat, water on GJ12-4b exists in exotic forms: superfluid water, ice Cephon, and steam atmospheres. Above, the skies may be choked with thick, steamy clouds, trapping heat like a greenhouse. It's an alien version of Earth's most familiar element, a true water world, stranger and more extreme than any movie could depict. 9. Trieste-2b, the darkest planet ever found. Our final stop takes us to one of the eeriest planets in the galaxy, Trieste-2b, about 750 light years away. This gas giant is roughly the size of Jupiter, but what makes it bizarre is its color. Trieste-2b reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it. That makes it darker than coal, darker than black paint, darker even than the surface of the moon. Astronomers don't fully understand why, but its atmosphere may contain light-absorbing chemicals like vaporized sodium and potassium, or even titanium oxide. From space, Trieste-2b would look like a hole in the fabric of reality, a ghostly silhouette barely distinguishable from the blackness of space itself. The only hint of its presence would be a faint red glow from its heated atmosphere, like the dim embers of a dying fire. It is, quite literally, the darkest planet we've ever seen. Conclusion: why strange worlds matter. These 9 planets, HD 189733b, WASP 12b, 55 Cancri E, Gliese 436b, HD 1696b, Kepler 6b, PSRJ 1719-438b, GJ 124b, and Tiryes 2b, are more than just curiosities. They are windows into the diversity of the universe. Each one shows us that planets can exist in forms we never imagined: worlds of burning ice, raining glass, endless oceans, or even solid diamond. They prove that the cosmos is far more creative than our textbooks suggest. For scientists, these worlds are laboratories. By studying them, we learn how planets form, how atmospheres evolve, and even where life might or might not emerge. Every strange exoplanet challenges our theories, forcing us to expand our understanding of physics, chemistry, and biology. For the rest of us, they ignite imagination. They remind us that the universe is not a dull expanse of empty stars, but a living gallery of cosmic wonders. Somewhere out there, beyond our reach, are planets stranger than fiction, real places orbiting real suns, waiting for us to discover them. And who knows? As telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope continue to scan the skies, the next discovery may be even stranger than anything we've seen so far. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, Earth is just one of countless worlds. Out there, glass rains sideways, diamonds form mountains, and oceans stretch deeper than we can imagine. The universe is far weirder and far more wonderful than we ever dreamed. Thank you for watching Solar Infinity 29. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our journey through the cosmos because the strangest worlds are still waiting to be discovered.